Hi guys, in this video we're going to see how to change the default screen. So if you are seeing what is the default screen. So now whenever we open our app, so we are having the first screen, right? So we usually call this as the default screen. So what if you want to change this default activity to the another activity? So in this video we're going to see that. Let's get started. Hi guys, my name is Nagesh and I am from 18bofficial.com. Today let us see how to change the default screen. So I actually have three screens, and my default screen is as of now activity main, in which I implemented only button, and now I want to make activity home screen as the default screen because I want it as the screen which whenever I open my app. For that you need to open the android manifest.xml file, and you can see so the main activity is the default screen now. So the reason behind the default screen is this intent filter. So if you remove this intent filter and copy it in the home activity, so you can see now I am copying it in the home activity. So you need to specify this intent filter in between this, like this. And now let me run my app and see what happens. So now you can see the installation and Gradle build is finished. Now our app is going to be launched. Now you can see the activity home, so in which I implemented the list view is appearing first. So this is how we need to change the default screen. I hope you got the point. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts, please do comment. I will help you. Thank you for watching.